I look like a ghost. Whew, okay. So today we are going to trick the internet into thinking that I actually look okay. And not like this. And you know, I've been looking like a 24/7 for the past I don't know how many weeks now. So we are going to transform this into something slightly better. Let's get into it. So now that I look like a potato, we can get into it, I guess. Just going to prep my skin because my mom closed that. Remember, never trust your mom to close your stuff. She won't close it easily for you to use. Cool. If anyone is interested, I'll put everything that I'm using down below, but I don't think we have any big makeup interested here. So honestly, it's just me trying to trick the internet and at the same time exposing myself, I guess, because, well, this is going to be online and yeah, my face is really sensitive. As soon as I'm touching it, it becomes red. We should stop making jokes like this. We are going to conceal everything and make basically all of our flaws, if only it was possible, disappear. So I'm just going to close my pore so anyone and everyone thinks that I have perfect face-tuned face. This is where it has come. Yeah. Not the best, I know. But hey, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. We're going to conceal this. This is the part where I'm going to look like a ghost, so be prepared, I guess. This foundation is way too thick. Not that it's a problem. My skin is breaking out. I love being a woman. Yay! I should have done my eyebrows first. Oh, never mind. Just look very white, and that's it. Next step, conceal the under eye because I haven't slept in 3 days. Oh yay! Same shit. Just put it on your finger. This one, no kidding. This one is really, really thick. You can cover up a tattoo with it. So if you got a tattoo and you don't want to tell your mom, this is the way to go. Same, usually I would use a sponge, but I don't have one here, so just going in with my foundation brush. Don't judge me. To anyone who is a beauty guru out there and that is currently watching me do the worst I could possibly do, don't judge me, okay? I know it looks awful right now, but I promise it's going to look okay at the end. We're just going to set it, okay? Because trust the process. In makeup, it's really important to trust the process. Anything really, but you know. I'm going to set everything except where I'm going to put my highlighter, because if you got a wet base, then it actually sticks better and pops up better, so, you know, just want to light up for the gods. I look crazy right now, I know. It's gonna be fine. Okay, now we are going to do the brows. going to brush them. I got actually pretty bushy brows, and I wish I could do like this trend, you know, with the soap. But I just look crazy if I do it. I mean, even more than right now. I look... I mean, I am white as fuck right now, so I look like a ghost. I've been watching way too many TikToks and have way too many songs stuck in my head, which is really annoying. My head be going renegade, renegade, renegade all day. Why? Why do you have to do me like this, TikTok? Okay, we're not gonna get it better than that, I feel like, so. Moving on to bringing back a little bit of color because I look sick and it's not a good thing, so yeah. Yeah. It looks actually worse on camera than it is in real life. I don't know if it's actually okay, but it just looks like I have a streak on camera. We are starting to look a little better. Look that bad in real life, but you should see it to believe it, I guess. I know I don't have the right brush for it, but I've been way too lazy to wash my brushes, so I'm just using a powder brush. Don't judge me. Thank you. Do I look mad yet? No? No? That's fine. Okay. Got powder in my nose. Now we're going to glow for the gods. So I'm taking the Fenty Beauty one. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Moving on to the eyes. But I think I'm just going to go for like a sunset kind of vibe. I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate palette, this one, which is beautiful. Shout out to my best friend because she actually bought the same palette and she bought it first. We used it last year for Pride and we got ready at my place and she forgot it there, and since then she forgot to pick it up all the time, or I forgot to bring it to her, so yeah. I think I'm going to start with yellow in the inner corner and just like work my way out. Do I look like the sun yet? Yeah, nah, never mind. Just forget about it, I guess. Not going to do anything crazy. I actually have a class in 2 hours and my teacher's going to see me and be like, what the frick happened to you? You know what? It's fine, because today we're tricking the internet into thinking that we're actually hot. Or okay, I guess. Social media has really got making me catfish my own self. Even though I have better things to do, I guess. But, well, I mean, not really, because I'm stuck at home, so what do you want me to do? I don't have uni right now, so it doesn't bring anything. What time is it? The same. I feel like it's okay. Yeah. Okay, moving on, we're going to take... You moved. Don't move. Some orange and just put it there. I don't know if I want like to do a wing, but I just know that we're going to blend this first. So also, I feel like this corona thing right now is just gotten crazy. And where I live, we have the right to see some people. We are not officially in quarantine, but just been self-isolating for weeks now. I don't know, I'm on week 6, I think. 6, 5. I don't even know at that point, honestly. So you know what? Actually, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Are we liking it? I don't know if we do, but this is just the way it's going to be. I'm just going to blend that with my finger right now. I want to film TikToks all the time, which is quite problematic because I want to do it, you know, but I'm also too lazy to make 45 cuts in like a 30-second video. So this is where my life is right now. I have so many ideas that I could actually film because I got a lot of time, but that I'm not doing. Love that for myself. Okay, I'm just going to move on to mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I look somewhat presentable, we gotta do the lips because I can't look like that. I don't know what it is, but I feel like lipstick just smells so good. Oh god, this one is dark. Okay, so I decided to take it off because I was just looking like a vampire and I do not dig that. So, dig that, not dig. Anyways, my hair is a mess too. Gotta take care of that in a second. But I'm just going to put a matte lipstick on and call it a day, I guess. So now that I look completely like a different person, basically, we are going to take care of this thing that we have going on. Probably just going to straighten it. Going to protect these babies with some heat protector and just straighten my hair. Do you think I would rock a mullet? You know, those old Billy Ray head? I look dumb. Anyways. Ouch. Ow, that was my hair. We've come so far that now I'm pulling my own hair. Yay. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, probably not because I have a black shirt, but my hair is not straight. Like, it's 2 different lengths. That's a PSA, never cut your own hair. It ends up badly. Yeah. Day, I don't even know, in quarantine. I'm really sorry for the following video. I guess we're going to change outfit and take some cute pictures because I didn't do everything for nothing, so here we go. Okay, so we're done. We are going to take some cute pictures, so enjoy this montage of me feeling myself. A little too much, to be honest. I know it wasn't a very long or exciting video, but I just want to make it. I just want to have fun. So I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to follow me, to hit the bell, to hit like, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!